Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert or paste code inside of Draw.io. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first things first is get that code ready to insert inside of Draw.io. Then from there, open up Draw.io. Now, we need to go ahead on the left hand side and type in text and then hit enter. And now we've got all these different text boxes we can add in. So for this demonstration, I want to use this. Now I've got this text box. Now you want to go ahead and paste that code inside of here. So I'm just going to get rid of all this stuff. Alright, so I've copied my code and now I'm just going to double click inside of this box and paste this inside of here like so. Now we can go ahead and change the formatting in here and the spacing. If it looks like this, that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and double click it. Now on the right, we've got text. So we can change the spacing inside of here. And also we can change the font size and make it bold and that. So I want to make this smaller. I'm going to highlight it. And now I can make this a bit smaller if I like. Also we can move this box around. Now because it says heading here, we can change that as well. So I can say code. Now I can highlight this and change the font or change the font color from white. I can change this to say that red color. Yeah, move that around. Now if you want to put some diagrams, you can. So we got all these different diagrams here. So we can use some UML 2.5s. Click on the more shapes, make sure UML and UML 2.5 is connected if you want to add any of those shapes into that. So yeah, you can have a look and see what shapes you want to go ahead and add into this. So you want to add some arrows. We can also add some people. So from UML, we can add an actor as well. So yeah, this is fully customizable like so. So it's starting to look a little bit cleaner here.